god.
Do y'all ever just Greg? Man, don't you hate it when you Greg? You're just like sitting down and all of a sudden you like Greg. It's the worst.
Real quick. Greg be like, am I right, fellas?
Wow.
I don't think so.
Woman be Greggin. Am I right, fellas?
Oh my god.
Greg.
Greg, my Greg. Just replacing
Are you for Greg?
I'm gonna get
Holy shit! I was not expecting that tonight. I was not expecting that tonight. I was so not expecting that, dude. I was so not expecting that. That was the last thing I expected to happen tonight, dude. The whole time I was in that last ship and wave, I was like waiting for the orbs to show up on my screen. I was so convinced. I was choking this so hard. Oh, let's go!
Let's go.
Yes!
Dude, I was just quietly playing over here.
Holy
talking
shit.
with Nick, and then I look over and you're at 63. I was like, what?
Holy shit, that's number 16. Let's go! Oh! That feels so good.
Hi.
8 other people have beaten this week? Shut the fuck up. Alright. Holy shit. Oh!
List grind.
I was recording, correct? Correct. Good, thank god. Okay. Whew.
Can anybody hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Hello.
Hi, Mom says good for you.
Thank you, Nick's mom.
She says
It's a total mom thing to do.
It is. I think that was the number. I'll double check that. And then 41 number.
she said
Hey,
you're welcome.
I don't need to do any mental math to know that that's under 10k.
That's so true.
Just throwing that out there. I'm pretty okay with under 10k for anything on the list.
Congrats on being the first
Yeah.
to beat this level.
Yeah, I finally, guys, first victor. I'm so proud.
That's what we learned
Nobody
today
has ever
about-
beaten this level before.
I know. It's
That's
crazy,
what
isn't
we
it?
learned today about this hotel room that we are going to, like...
Hold on, wait.
Joe about.
One sec, Nick, before you say that, I'm gonna cut the recording here. Bye!